Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the curve swimming pool design. First of all, we can make the rectangle in here on the position in here, and then now we can click and push it up, type 1 meter. Okay, and maybe we can add more 1 meter. Okay, then now we can triple click and make group. Okay, and then now we can triple click this one and select the circle in here. Okay, on the position in here, and now we can select circle in this position and just scale this one. And then now we can just scale this circle and place on the position in here, and now we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, we can just move. Okay, we can move it up. Okay, now we can place move it down in here, and then now we can just click and push it down on the position in here. Then now we can click and select copy, exit from the group and edit, and just paste in place and push it up in here. Then now we can triple click make group. Okay, then now we can select the concrete in here, and now we can select the materials with using the water materials in here. Okay, now we can set up about the opacity and transparency in here. Okay, then now we can just triple click and select the outline only, and offset in here. Okay, then now we can just select the cladding. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can assign about the saturation in here. Okay, we can assign about the saturation level over there. Okay, then now we can, or maybe we can just click and offset it outside in here, and assign again in here to make it more large in here, and just click this one and select the spline. You can select this freehand, sorry, you can select the freehand and select the landscaping. Okay, and then just place the position in here. Okay, then now we can select move, tab control. We can add more vegetation in here. Okay, then now we can add more something in here, like outdoor dining table in here, and on the another position. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial.